Okay, everyone. So what we're going to focus on again today is SpaceX. I've been trading that one pretty well, so that's what I want to get involved with. As you can see, I took 10 shares short at 164.83 to add to my position. And then I also had LHAI at 201 looking for a breakout. However, I got stopped out on that big kill candle, as you could see. So I got stopped out there for a pretty hefty loss of 120. And as you can see, looks like SpaceX is breaking down. I showed it at 165. I'm hoping to add more shares even around 160. It's chopping around but doing exactly what I liked. I took a little 50 share position on LHSW at 7 just to see if it would break out over 8. However, I wasn't so confident in it. But it did hold my stop loss. I took another 5 shares short of SpaceX at 162, and again it's heading downward. And so now LHSW is starting to curl. I took 10 shares short again at 159 on SpaceX, but then I ended up selling it a few minutes later, or covering it, just because I wanted to give it more time, and it was kind of looking a little strong there at the moment. So SpaceX still doing its thing. Basically watch this one all day. Right now I'm in a good position, so I feel pretty confident. And as you can see, I have an order already for 10 shares short. I took it off, but I will put that on again. I took a 50 share position of BSP at 34.01, thinking that it could hold and then possibly break out over 40 pretty soon. And also I tried FXHO at 20 to see if it would go back to 25. So I had 20 shares there. A lot of positions happened today. Okay, and there I got filled 10 shares short again at SpaceX 159. And then I sold also FXHO because I wasn't liking how it was looking and how it wasn't breaking out how I liked it. And now we can really start to see that SpaceX is breaking down, so it is going in my favor, heading towards that 155, which is where I wanted to cover my shares. I did cover some at 158 just to be safe, and some at 156. But then I also got a couple there at 155. So I got 12 shares covered up, still have 15 left. And this was something I was hoping to swing until tomorrow, maybe even Wednesday. I was really hoping that it was going to break down past 155 today. But as you can see later on, it did not do that. Also, I got bored out of BSP and I just sold for break even essentially. Lost $2 on that one. And I'll show you here in a second that I shouldn't have sold because as you can see, it's starting to work in my favor. And it ended up actually going about $3 a share up from where I had bought it. So I definitely didn't give that one time to work. I got bored out and I shouldn't have. And as you can see, it's going towards 37. I think it touched 37 today. So that would have been a nice gain of about 150 bucks that I missed out on. Just because I got bored. And here we go, SpaceX. As you can see, it curled up towards 160. So I wasn't liking that, but my average is 165, so I'm going to stay strong and hold it until tomorrow. See if it could finally break 155 and head towards 150 and even lower. And just at the end of the day, I ended up just doing a 5-share short at 160 and covered up at 158, just to add on a little bit more money, like $5 there. So now I still have my 15-share short. I'm bringing it into tomorrow. And my total gain was negative 94.97. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have some better gains. And we'll keep trading SpaceX really well. See you guys tomorrow.